AAEON's Machine Vision demo kit includes a box PC, a panel PC, and technology developed by world-famous software and camera companies Halcon and Basler. The kit enables users to carry out quality assurance tests on printed circuit boards. These tests can be used to check details such as the barcode, parts, size, and on-product wording. Each of these things can be clearly displayed on the panel PC. The Boxer 6639M has 9 LAN ports pre-installed and also supports Intel Core i performance CPUs and up to 32GB DDR4 SODIMM, so it can easily handle high-performance machine vision tasks. AAEON provides complete machine vision solutions. In addition to manufacturing machine vision controllers and panels, AAEON cooperates with leading technology companies such as camera vendors Basler and machine vision software vendors Halcon. AAEON's quality assurance tests always follow strict protocols to ensure that controllers, cameras, and software systems can work together smoothly and be completely compatible.